Hello everyone, this is Mary and today I am here to watch the Kegon Waterfalls, so let's go! Just look at this beautiful scenery! This waterfall falls 97 meters deep and just look at those ice cycles. It's still so cold over here. Look, this ayu looks so delicious. This is really good. It has a pinch of salt on it, so it's tasting really good. So there is an elevator which allows you to go down right in front of the waterfall. This must be such a powerful picture, so make sure to check it out once you're here. Next, I arrived at the Chuzenji lake. Here, in spring and summer, you can ride a cruise and enjoy a round trip on the lake. During autumn, you can enjoy the red autumn leaves. And in winter, as you can see, you have a lot of snow. The air up here in Nikko is really nice and refreshing and I totally enjoyed my stay. And depending on the season, you have so many sceneries you can see. So try to check out all of them. I see you at the next spot. Bye!